All right, let's do it. Good to go? My name is Dwayne Svanbrook. I'm in charge of engineering, loudspeaker engineering at JL Audio. I've been working there since 1994. Where do I start? We've been working on this for a really long time, and it's a passion of ours. High-end car audio has always been a passion. This project has been going on for a solid 3 years. We have put everything that we know into this project, all of our best engineering, our best design tools, everything that we could throw at it, and we ended up with what I think is some of the best sounding speakers in the business.
Dynamic, it's realism at its best.
Grandioso. Para las personas que nos gusta el audio, está grandioso.
I didn't hear the speaker at all, I heard the music, and that's an important thing to me. That's the most important thing, I think.
Like I said, it's been rave reviews. The reason the reviews have been, so fantastic is because the product really is exceptional. It's designed from the ground up. Every single part in these drivers, we started from scratch. We rethought everything. We thought about the best approaches, the best ways to test it, the best ways to simulate it. We had to tool up every single part in the drivers. And instead of leaving it at that, once the parts were tooled up, if we weren't 100% happy with it, we retooled it again, over and over and over again, until everything was perfect. And that's what it takes to get the speakers right. What we're talking about here is a 6.5-inch component woofer, a 3.5-inch component mid-range driver, and a 25mm tweeter. What's also unique is that, unlike most of our competitors, the component woofer and the component mid are being produced at JL Audio in our Miramar facility right here in the USA.